Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share another healthy millet recipe, soft and spongy set dosa. Set dosa is a popular breakfast of South India. It is soft and spongy even after cooling. It can be used for lunchbox also. Here instead of rice I have used millet, making it more healthier and filling. Let us prepare soft and spongy millet set dosa. Here I have taken 2 cups of foxtail millet or navane. You can use any millet of your choice. Foxtail millet is fiber rich, gluten free with low glycemic index. I have already uploaded a video regarding the health benefits of foxtail millet. The link is in the description box below. If you want, please check the link. For this add half cup of urad dal or black gram dal, 3 spoons of fenugreek seeds. Wash them thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours, preferably in hot water. After 8 hours, it has increased in volume. Now transfer it to blender. We have to grind it in batches. Add soaked water for grinding. Take 1 cup of cooked foxtail millet rice. If you don't have rice, then you can use thin poha soaked in water. You have to use the rice of same millet. If you are using foxtail millet, then you have to use foxtail millet rice, otherwise poha. Grind it to form smooth paste and grind whole amount in batches and transfer it to a large vessel. Add rock salt to taste. Close the lid and allow it to ferment for 8 to 12 hours. This well fermented batter, give a nice mix. Now the batter is ready. Heat cast iron tawa on medium flame. Apply gingerly oil. Cast iron tawa helps for the better absorption of iron. Take 1 ladle full of batter, pour it at the center of the tawa and spread a little. Here the dosa should be little thick. Cover the lid and cook for a minute. It is cooked nicely. Drizzle fresh desi cow's ghee. Flip the dosa and cook the other side. You can see the golden brown color. Now both sides are cooked nicely. Very healthy, soft and spongy millet set dosa is ready to serve. Serve with any chutney of your choice. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.